In today's video, how to fix green line on your Android phone screen. Press and hold power button until restart option appears on your screen. Tap on it and wait for your phone to reboot. Sometimes simple restart can fix minor software glitches causing green line issue. If it doesn't work, open Settings app on your Android. Scroll down to very bottom and tap on Software Update or something similar depending on your phone model. Tap on Download and install. If your phone has update available, download and install it, and hopefully that will fix issue. If restarting and updating don't solve the problem, open Settings, tap on Search icon at the top right, and search for Reset. Tap on Factory Data Reset. Tap on it to reset your phone to its factory default settings. But keep in mind, this will erase all data, including your files, downloaded apps. Make sure to backup your imported data before proceeding.